Our home, Earth, feels pretty big to us. We build skyscrapers that touch the clouds and cruise ships that dwarf small islands. But in the grand scheme of the cosmos, Earth is just a tiny blue marble. Imagine shrinking our sun, a blazing ball of fire over 100 times wider than Earth, down to the size of a basketball. On this scale, our planet would be a tiny speck, smaller than a grain of sand, orbiting the basketball sun from about 30 feet away. As we venture out further, we encounter objects that make our sun look like a tiny spark. Get ready to explore a universe filled with objects of unimaginable size and grandeur. Asteroids, often called space rocks, are leftover building blocks from the early solar system. They come in all shapes and sizes. For example, Vesta, one of the largest asteroids in the asteroid belt, measures about 329 miles in diameter, similar to the length of New Jersey. The smallest known asteroid, 2015 TC25, is only about 6 feet across, roughly the size of a small car. Another notable asteroid is Ceres, the largest object in the asteroid belt, which spans about 590 miles in diameter, comparable to the distance from New York City to Cleveland. In contrast, smaller asteroids like 101955 Bennu are around 1,600 feet wide, roughly the height of the Empire State Building. Comets, on the other hand, vary greatly in size. Halley's Comet, for instance, is about 9 miles long, roughly the size of Manhattan. Another famous comet, 67P Churyumov-Gerasimenko, visited by the Rosetta mission, measures about 2.7 miles in diameter, comparable to the length of the Golden Gate Bridge. Most asteroids and comets reside in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Some, like the asteroid Apophis, which is about 1,100 feet wide, venture closer to Earth and are closely monitored by scientists. These near-Earth objects are tracked for any potential threat to our planet. Our journey through the vastness of space now takes us to planets, much larger celestial objects that have cleared their orbits around a star. Our home, Earth, is a beautiful example of a planet teeming with life, a testament to the delicate balance of conditions that make our existence possible. Earth, with a diameter of about 7,917 miles, might seem large, but it's just a small player in our solar system. Moving outward from the Sun, we encounter Mars, the red planet, about half the size of Earth with a diameter of 4,212 miles. This cold, dusty world, with Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system, reaching a height nearly 3 times that of Mount Everest, captivates our imagination. Beyond Mars lies Jupiter, the king of planets, with a staggering diameter of 86,881 miles. This gas giant is so immense that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Jupiter's iconic Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth itself, has been raging for centuries, symbolizing the planet's turbulent atmosphere. Saturn, with its majestic rings, measures about 72,367 miles in diameter. These rings, composed of countless ice particles, range in size from tiny grains to house-sized chunks, creating a celestial masterpiece that exemplifies the beauty and wonder of the cosmos. Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants, round out our solar system. Uranus, with a diameter of 31,518 miles, and Neptune, slightly smaller at 30,598 miles. Both have mesmerizing blue hues, hinting at their cold, distant nature. Interestingly, Neptune's winds are the fastest in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 1,500 miles per hour, faster than the speed of sound on Earth. At the heart of our solar system lies the Sun, a star that dominates our cosmic neighborhood. Imagine a giant ball of hot gas, so immense that it could fit over 1 million Earths inside it. This churning inferno, with surface temperatures exceeding 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, is a sea of plasma driven by nuclear fusion. In its core, the Sun converts hydrogen into helium, releasing energy that powers our solar system. But our Sun, as powerful as it is, pales in comparison to some other stars in the universe. Take Betelgeuse, for example, a red supergiant in the constellation Orion. Betelgeuse is about 700 times larger than our Sun and shines roughly 100,000 times brighter. If placed at the center of our solar system, it would engulf the orbits of Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, illustrating its colossal size. Then there's VY Canis Majoris, one of the largest known stars, with a radius about 1,500 times that of the Sun. If this star were in our solar system, it would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter. VY Canis Majoris shines with a luminosity nearly 300,000 times greater than our Sun, a true behemoth of the cosmos. Back to our own Sun, this mighty star's energy radiates outward. But did you know that the Sun's core reaches temperatures of about 27 million degrees Fahrenheit? That's over 2,700 times hotter than its surface. This incredible heat allows the Sun to produce neutrinos, nearly massless particles that stream out in vast quantities. In fact, billions of neutrinos pass through your body every second without you even noticing. As we venture beyond our solar system, the vastness of space unveils an astonishing array of immense objects, particularly galaxies. Galaxies are massive collections of stars, gas, and dust, each shining with the light of billions of suns. Our own Milky Way galaxy, a barred spiral galaxy, spans about 100,000 light-years across and contains over 100 billion stars. To put that into perspective, if the Milky Way was scaled down to the size of North America, our entire solar system would fit into a coffee cup. The Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest galactic neighbor, is even larger, stretching over 220,000 light-years in diameter. Andromeda shines twice as brightly as the Milky Way and contains roughly 1 trillion stars. This colossal galaxy is on a collision course with the Milky Way, set to merge in about 4 billion years, promising a spectacular cosmic event. For an even more mind-boggling example, consider the supergiant elliptical galaxy M87 in the Virgo cluster. M87 spans over 980,000 light-years and houses a supermassive black hole with a mass 6.5 billion times that of our Sun. This black hole was famously imaged by the Event Horizon telescope, providing the first ever picture of a black hole's shadow. The Sombrero Galaxy, another stunning object, is about 50,000 light-years across and is notable for its bright nucleus and large central bulge, making it look like a sombrero hat when viewed from Earth. Its bright core and extensive halo of globular clusters make it one of the most massive objects in our local universe. The largest known galaxy, IC 1101, dwarfs them all, stretching an incredible 6 million light-years across. This giant elliptical galaxy contains over 100 trillion stars and is 60 times the size of the Milky Way. Its sheer size and mass make it a true titan of the cosmos. Nebulae are some of the most visually stunning and enormous objects in the universe. These vast clouds of gas and dust scattered throughout galaxies are the birthplaces of stars. Their vibrant colors and intricate structures captivate astronomers and stargazers alike. The Orion Nebula, located 1,344 light-years away in the constellation Orion, spans about 24 light-years and is visible to the naked eye. The Carina Nebula, approximately 7,500 light-years away in the constellation Carina, stretches over 460 light-years and houses some of the galaxy's most massive and luminous stars. The Eagle Nebula, situated around 7,000 light-years away in the constellation Serpens, features the famous Pillars of Creation and spans about 70 light-years. The Helix Nebula, often referred to as the Eye of God, is located about 650 light-years away in Aquarius. This planetary nebula is roughly 2.5 light-years across, representing the final stages of a star's life. Just as stars form galaxies, galaxies group together into vast structures called galaxy clusters, the largest known cosmic formations. These clusters contain hundreds to thousands of galaxies bound by gravity. Imagine a cosmic city where each galaxy is a bright beacon, separated by vast distances, yet connected by gravity. The Coma cluster, for instance, is over 300 million light-years from Earth and spans about 20 million light-years, containing over 1,000 galaxies. The Hercules cluster includes around 200 galaxies spread over 6 million light-years, all engaged in a gravitational dance. The largest known cluster, the Shapley supercluster, comprises over 8,000 galaxies and stretches 650 million light-years. Its immense mass warps space, causing gravitational lensing that magnifies distant galaxies behind it. These clusters also contain hot, X-ray emitting gas, reaching temperatures of tens of millions of degrees Fahrenheit. This makes galaxy clusters some of the most energetic structures in the universe. Galaxy clusters are key to studying the universe's large-scale structure and dark matter, which constitutes about 27% of the universe's mass energy content. Dark matter's gravitational effects are crucial in holding these clusters together. As we zoom out beyond galaxy clusters, we uncover the cosmic web, the largest known structure in the universe. This vast network of filaments and voids spans billions of light-years, shaped by gravity and cosmic expansion since the Big Bang. Imagine a giant spiderweb, with filaments composed of countless galaxies and vast voids nearly empty of matter. These interconnected patterns reveal the universe's intricate design. The cosmic web formed from tiny density fluctuations in the early universe, amplified by gravity over billions of years. Studying it helps us understand the universe's evolution and the mysterious dark matter that shapes it. Our journey through space has taken us from tiny asteroids to vast galaxy clusters and the cosmic web that connects them. We've seen the birth and death of stars and the immense scale of the universe. The universe is full of wonders, from our familiar solar system to distant, mysterious galaxies. Exploring the cosmos reminds us of our small yet significant place in it. Keep looking up at the night sky, ask questions, and seek answers. The universe is full of exciting discoveries waiting to be made. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell, and join us on a journey through the most fascinating mysteries of the universe.